Today we are using the Jaguar I-PACE as a demonstration to acknowledge the usage of our favorite button, but you can also find this button on a variety of Land Rovers. So what this button does is it is essentially a shortcut for two features. It gives you the possibility of a short press and a long press. To select these features, which you can change as many times as you like, you would go into your touch screen, into Settings, All Settings, Features, and Favorite button. There you will have the possibility of a short press and a long press. It gives you about 10 choices where you can select one and the short press will be the selected. So for example, most people go with cancel guidance as a short press and mute phone as a long press. But with 10 possibilities, you can change it around to your preference and likings.